How to change the region on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn on how we can change our region on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now you might want to change the region on Netflix if you're not satisfied with the shows that are available in your country. So you want to watch the shows that are not available in a country due to geographical restrictions from Netflix. The only way, and I'm saying the only way that you can actually achieve this is by using a good VPN service. Now I can't dive into which VPN app you can use because there are lots and lots of services. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but I'm saying that if you can afford, try to get a paid VPN subscription because it always works better than the free one. The free one most of the times doesn't do the job. Now this video is not sponsored by any VPNs, but I'm going to name some of the VPN. Some are Tomato VPN, Turbo VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, IPVanish VPN. These are some of the best VPN applications out there. You can check the review for its Netflix and then just try to purchase the one that you find is good for you, because the free one almost doesn't do anything. The paid one will definitely do the job, but you need to make sure that it is a good VPN application for you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.